JUVIA'S Purchase beats with no tax.
What's good, guys? It is Wavy Spice here, and first of all, I'd like to say welcome to my channel. If you're new, definitely don't forget to hit that subscribe button, join the Spice gang. We have a lot of fun over here. If you're oldie but a goodie, oh, what's up, girl? I'm so glad you came back to another video. So today I'm just going to show you guys how I achieved this really pretty colorful look. I used all JUVIA'S products, all besides a few things. So yeah, I got a couple of things from JUVIA'S over Black Friday, and I just wanted to test it out. Obviously, I've already been using JUVIA'S eyeshadows and blushes, but I did get a chance to actually try out their like complexion products as well as their highlighters. So yeah, I really think this look is super gorgeous. JUVIA'S makeup is really high quality and it's very inexpensive. I know some things she's done has been like slightly controversial, but I mean, it's a black makeup brand, and whatever I can do to keep the dollar in the black pocket, I definitely will do that. So yeah, I definitely still do support JUVIA'S. And yeah, if you guys like this look, then just stay tuned to see how I created it. I will see you guys soon. Bye. So what is good, guys? I already did my eyebrows, put my little base on, set it. I am going to pop a transition color into the crease. Go grab my Jackie pen. Okay, so I'm going in with Ginger as my transition shade and a Morphe M518 brush.
Purchase beats with no tax.
Okay, so the green shade is Molly, and then I'm gonna go right into Dahlia. So now that I'm gonna go in with a different brush and kind of pack the lid colors on a little bit more. Okay, so I'm going in with the Malawi 230 foundation. Just use a little bit. I'm gonna try to use this on my whole entire face. And I'm gonna use my concealer in shade 13. Okay, so I'm just bronzing my face up with the Maybelline, CoverGirl Collection bronzer. This is the only item that I'm using that's not from Juvia's Place. I think I'm just gonna use purple under the entire under eye.
DavidSoniaBeats.com. Purchase beats. DavidSoniaBeats.com. Purchase beats with no tax.
I'm going to highlight with the Juvia's Place Heroin Glow 1. Going with my absolute favorite highlighting brush. I forgot to contour my nose, which needs to happen. Okay, and I'm actually gonna go in with the highlighter and go right on top of that green. Awesome. So now I'm going to line my eyes and do my lashes off camera, and then I'm going to come back to you guys.